Hi, hello, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Law Made Simple with me Vidya Reddy. Today, in the series of Law of Taxation, let us discuss about what are these perquisites, types of perquisites, what are the perquisites which are exempted from the income tax. So let's get started. According to Section 17 Clause 2 of Income Tax, perquisite is nothing but it is a profit or gain incidentally made from the employment in addition to regulate salary or wages. So, in general, it is nothing but it is an incentive made by the employer to the employee. It is kind of emolument made by the employer to employee as a benefit. So, perquisite signifies some kind of benefit in addition to the amount that may be legally due by way of contract for the services rendered. So, if the employer gets satisfied by your work, he gives incentive. So, that kind of improvement in your salary is called as perquisite. So, in general, perquisite may be defined as any casual emolument or benefit attached to an office or position in addition to the salary or wages. It also denotes something that benefits a man by going into his own pocket. Purpose may be provided in cash or in kind. However, perquisites can be taxable under the head salaries only if they are. So, we have certain conditions. They can be taxed in salary if they are allowed by an employer to his employee, allowed during the continuance of employment, directly dependent upon service, resulting in the nature of personal advantage to the employee, derived by virtue of employer's authority. So, the emolument or any kind of incentive added to the salary, obviously it will be deducted in the tax. So, you got certain kind of incentive along with your regular salary, obviously it is taxable. Only and this occurs during the continuous employment, it will be deducted, and also upon your service also deducted, and if it is a personal advantage to the employee also deducted, and by the employer's authority it is also deducted by the income tax. Coming to the classification of perquisites, we have taxable and tax-free perquisites also. So what are taxable? Some of the perquisites that are taxable in nature are rent-free accommodation, supply of gas, water and electricity, professional tax of employee, reimbursement of medical expense, and salary of servant employed by the employee. So these taxable perquisites also include any kind of fringe benefits provided by the employer to employee like free meals, gifts exceeding 5,000 rupees or more, club and gym facilities. All these are taxable perquisites. Coming to tax-free perquisites, we have certain tax-free perquisites that can be leave travel concession and subject to the how much amount the leave travel is spent. So that much amount will only be tax-free. Medical facilities and reimbursements, computer or laptop for official or personal use, initial fees paid for the corporate membership, and another refreshments provided during work hours in office premises, payment of annual premium on personal or personal accident policy, subscriptions to periodicals and journals required for the discharge of work, provision of medical facilities, gifts not exceeding 5,000 rupees, use of health club and sport facilities. So all these are tax-free perquisites. And other tax-free perquisites include child education allowance, hostel allowance, transport allowance, free meal provided during work hours or through paid transferable vouchers not exceeding 50 rupees per meal, or free meal provided during work hours in a remote area. So all these are tax-free perquisites. And what are the perquisites taxed by employees? Generally, the category which includes taxed by the employees are cars. Actually, the cars are owned by the employers, but those are used by the employees. And coming to service for the domestic help and education opportunities for children. So these are perquisites taxed by the employees. So these are types of perquisites and their exemption from the income tax. As such, we have come to the end of the session. It's riddle time. Please answer the riddle in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.